I've not left my tiny little town in 2 months, and I just got back from the snowy Scottish mountains at the time of the lockdown, so this is crazy to see springtime. It's amazing how much I missed it. I'm out in the beautiful Shropshire hills. I've decided to do what another YouTuber is doing, Henry Turner. He suggested that we all stay within a 10-mile radius of where we live, and this is pretty much the 10-mile radius, but lucky for me I live right in the middle of the Shropshire hills, and they look beautiful this evening. I've decided to stop here for a minute and just shoot across to the Lawley. It's one of those moments where you're kind of a little bit panicked because you know that the sun's going to disappear in a little while, but it is looking absolutely beautiful up here. I'm going to move on to another spot now, but I'll put that up on the screen and see what you think. So believe it or not, I've kind of lost the light a little bit. You can see that the clouds have moved in front of the sun a little bit, and it's kind of softened the light. So I think what I'm going to do, you can see behind me the hills are looking beautiful across to the Lawley. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot a panorama across there. So I'm going to shoot that on the 70-200 and get in nice and close, and that should compress the background so that all of the hills in the distance kind of still feel big. The temperature's dropped quite a bit, but the sun has come out again, so I'm actually going to try and take that shot again and see which one I prefer. I'll put the one I prefer up on the screen. Thought I'd finish the video here on this beautiful Shropshire rock. I set up here a little bit earlier on. I took a shot this way, and I wasn't too pleased with the composition. I thought maybe it was a little bit obvious and there wasn't anything at the end of that leading line, but if the shot turns out well, I'll actually post it at the end of this video. But thanks very, very much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and check out some of my other videos. I'm just sort of getting started with this now, so I'd really appreciate it if you could hit subscribe. Take care, I'll see you in the next video. If you want to learn more about photography and the techniques and technology around it, check out some of the other videos on the screen right now. And if you're enjoying it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I really do appreciate it.